Well, if I talk on it, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and it's exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this one is new. We see them blame all different type of things from the teacher, but no property value. No, the headline reads, Kartel's Heavendale property is a big dump. No, viewers and subscribers, the boss did half a page them. No, it reads, at the Jamaica Star. Let me ask you this. Do you just take random people off the streets and turn them into reporters? Because real journalism would have led a professional reporter to find out if I in fact still own the property. Very, very true. At the basics, even while vlogging, we have to make sure that we do the research and try to get the way I get. We can bring the reason to you. And teacher said, which I don't. It was sold. I am totally not surprised, as you have in the past done similar unprofessional reporting. Him said that reporter their brain smaller than a symbiotic particle. Him said, I love make the news though. So big up on yourself. Now, viewers and subscribers, the article in which the teacher is referring to is an article by a major tabloid. I'ma see it. But what I noticed about it was that the picture where the major tabloid say one resident from the community did a try for paint. Now, the property is located on Swallowfield Avenue. Now, and that is in the Uptown community. Now, one resident said the place is now a big dump. Even the way the article reads looks very unprofessional. True. Now, point I want to point out, according to the resident, the dream of the community is for the property to be sold and restored to its former pre-cartel ownership and glory. First and foremost, I point out the teacher said the property has already in fact been sold, and we saw the demolition of the property. Meaning, of course, for them start moving and demolish the property. Yeah, somebody own it now. This resident is saying pre-cartel ownership. You want to know why? The person said, when I saw you guys, I thought you were surveyors or developers. If they lived in the community, they would already see the surveyors and the developers who came to demolish the previous structure. Anyway, them say, we would really love for the place to be sold. But with that history, who is going to buy it? Viewers and subscribers, this is what me talk about. She said, looking puzzled, the article reads. Remember, this property played the starring role in the so-called situation with Clive Lizard Williams. Yes, it was 7 Swallowfield Avenue in Avondale. At the same property, the viewers and subscribers. No property value. That one I knew. The boss would have to preach them viewers and subscribers. But notice what I go and do. Major tabloids, the DPP, the 3-judge tribunal, the whole of them link up. I guess them represent the divide in society where the haves and the haves not. Because clearly, they must say, Uptown, just because the teacher go up there and the situation will happen up there, drop the property value. Wait before you agree and say Ray and Ray and it is possible for that to happen. True. But when have you ever seen a superstar own property and despite anything will happen there, the value go down? No. On the other hand, for every property owned by a celebrity, the value actually goes up, not down. Yeah, if even a car, a house, anything owned by a celebrity, it now have sentimental value. Because somebody has said, them artists did own this. That the superstar himself did own this. We see the Michael Jackson jackets go for millions. Why do you think it go for millions? It's not because it was uniquely designed, well crafted. No, it was because of the individual who pre-owned it. So for here, this resident, first and foremost, the teacher point out that the property has been sold. They must say they may not expect the star was severe as our developers will come to look upon the property for bite if they resided in the area. How come them they know that the property has in fact been sold? Them never see when the demolition was taking place. Who them think demolish the property? Then them are gonna say, who are gonna buy it? Knowing the history that has taken place there. Them want to make it say no because of what happened there, nobody will ever buy this property. So they make it look like something major has been done there, something unspeakable has occurred at the property, while in fact there was no proof that nothing even occurred, much less happened at the property. They have never said any forensics have pointed to that property being the rare, and if that was true, they would have never demolished the property. No. So with that being said, I saw them go with clear fabrication, very unprofessional reporting, the boss say, and from a major tabloid nonetheless. No, you see them always say such and such is the one. They have to know where you get your news from. Stay tuned, Gaza Nation. We have the real reasoning. From it happened, from it occurred, we're gonna make you know say it happened, and we're gonna tell you why or where the source is. If it's a source so we can't disclose, well, we'll make you know say boy, as this a go on, and is a believe it or not type situation, whether you want to believe it yes or no, if we can't reveal the source. But other than that, we will always tell you say yeah man, this go on, and before we say just run with it, we'll do the research like what the boss say. You have to know what you talk about, so they can open your mouth and speak with it, speak about it rather, and can bring it to the know for the people who never know. You can't just bring speculation. And I think the Star was one of the persons who reported when the property was in fact sold. So it's very surprising to see. Our next article we have found out where I say a resident is requesting or hoping that someone buys the property, and them actually publish the story. But I think they would have been the one to clear it up for the resident and say no, this property is actually owned by somebody else and not owned by Adidja Palmer. So that them wouldn't have a hope or wait for somebody to come buy the property, wouldn't you think? Unless them themselves don't know. But how could they not know? I don't know if it's a freelance reporter, because that might be a next thing too. If it was a freelance reporter who made the story, and more likely it is a freelance reporter. Now I call nobody by name. We're not gonna say Ray. The chief editor job is to look over that and make sure say you're Ray. You know what I mean? We know them know. So the property has been sold. The one them a one link it look like. Yeah, one umbrella. Anyway, they should have made the move now to look over the article and say, no, well, here's the discrepancy right here. So the resident was asking if the property was no, wasn't even asking. The president was hoping or suggesting to you that them are hopes that somebody buy the property and nobody now go want to buy it because I was going there. And you run with the story, and you know that the property has been sold already. Well, if you never know, you're not in the know now, and we are pointed out. And the teacher won the property. Don't make it look like the teacher responsibility that too. Or not, don't make it look like the teacher responsibility that too, even after selling the property. What do you want him to know? You want him to rehabilitate the community from where they're currently? He never send them people there, call them on them phone and say go and go use the sold property. If that never take place before the property was sold, after him sell it now, him forgot deal with that. But you understand? Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what are your thoughts. Bye to the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, they just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there as well for me, like we drop a like on the blog. In truth, the share icon is also there as well. You can tell a friend, tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7. It never lack yet. Believe me, the comment section, it never lack, no matter what I go on. Just remember, be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Yes. But other than that, drop your comments and your opinions there. And yes, we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. So, you know what I mean? Talk to me in the comment section. Based on subscribers, by the one called Jaden Chase. Yes, I upload settings spam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.